What's up, my J-Dolls and baby J's? Welcome back to my channel. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell by the title, I am doing another hair review, and today we're working with UNice Hair. Sent me this 20-inch wig, and it's like a layered wig, but when I got it I had to cut it because it wasn't giving layered. It was just straight. It was just a straight 20-inch wig, so y'all see in the video when I'm installing it. But yeah, it wasn't like layered like I thought, so if you're looking for a layered wig, you might have to cut this. And I'll put a picture up of what it's supposed to look like because it's still not giving that, because I think I need to go up a little bit more, but that's how the wig is supposed to look. But it did not come like that. It just wasn't layered at all, but I was excited for it. And they sent me a couple of items in their box, and this is the bag that it came in. So, and shipping was really fast this time. Like, I can't even cap, like it was like 3 days, and normally I have to wait like a week for my wigs. Yeah, it came pretty quick. So this is the bag that it came in. It's like a little peach. And then they sent me this robe with their logo on it. So it says UNice, and then it has it on the back as well. Said everything will be linked down below. And it came with like a little headband, tie-dye headband, then like a little goodie bag, some clips. And I love some clips. I love when they send me clips, and like not the combs, because I got so many combs. And what comes in the bag is just a wig cap, you know, per usual, scarf, some lashes. I did bleach the hair, as y'all can see. I bleached it for like 15 minutes. It was pre-plucked. I don't know if they meant to have it as a pre-plucked wig, but the wig was pre-plucked. But I did go in some more just to, you know, make it look realistic a little bit. And these are the baby hairs that I did. I haven't did this type of baby hair in so long. So yeah, y'all tell me if it's really giving layered. I think I need to cut some more off. It hasn't shed too much so far, but you know, you gotta wait like a couple of months to see if a wig really sheds, because Asteria and Wiggins, girl, the review, I was like, it doesn't shed. And like 3 months later, because I like to wear my wigs like a lot of times, so by the time I'm 3 months in, it's shedding and the wig is thin. But at least I got like a 250 density, so it did shed, but it's still just, it's thick. But this wig is a 150 density, I believe. Let me make sure, because it doesn't feel, it just feels like 180. This is a 150 density wig. Y'all know I don't like the real thin wigs, but this one is giving like 180. I feel like it's great for summertime because like my neck is not hot or whatever. UNice hair is always like a different texture than all the other companies. Like, I can tell which wig is which. Like when I put it in my bin, I can tell which one is which, because the hair texture is just different. Like UNice has like a, like not too coarse, it's just like smooth. And Asteria hair, it gives like a texture like realistic, like your real hair, and you flat iron it, so it has like a coarse feeling. So I know when I'm getting UNice hair, it's just gonna be like really like super soft. Like it's just like buttery. That's what it is. It's giving buttery. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video. If y'all have any questions down below, make sure y'all comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
We on fly mode. I be flashing on it, but they prime mode. My eyes closed. I'm on bang, bro. I got hella hoes. Got that nasty flow. Shorty nasty though. And I only for a rich hoe. And I only for a dead hoe. White hoe. Let's go. White hoe, yo. Let's go. And I only for a dead hoe.
bitch. The shawty she wasted, shawty get weighted in the bitch. Hey, niggas say trying, until they get checked. These bitches be lying. Got it by check, jet flick. The shawty gon' hop in the jet. The shawty gon' go over sleep. Hop in the beat in that beast. Calling me beast in the sheets. Fucking that bitch on the beach. This is my cool, what's a leash? Hop in that cool, feel like me. All of my niggas to eat with feast. Ballin' the beat. Feeling like me. Rapping the beat. Shut that you weak. Coming at you with no crease. At least.
That's okay, some love, me in that bed.